On to our next question, which is involving density. So the first thing I would always do before tackling such a question is note down the density, mass, volume triangle on the side of my page, just so I can remember how to rearrange it if needed. So the question is asking us to work out the density of the drink as a whole. So to work out total density, we always have to use total mass divided by the total volume. We've been given the total volume as 320, so now we need to work out what the total mass is. So we've been given the density of the apple juice, the fruit syrup, and the carbonated water alone. So let's use the density to work out the mass by working out the density multiplied by the volume that we've been given below. So for example, with the apple juice, we've been given that the density is 1.05 and the volume is 25. So we can simply multiply those together to get the mass, and we do the same thing for the fruit syrup and the carbonated water. So now that we've got each individual mass, we can add them up together to get the total mass. And we end up getting 324.45. So now looking back to our equation and the question, we're asked to work out the density of the drink. So we need to put that mass divided by the volume, which we found earlier to be 320, to get our actual density of the overall drink. After putting that onto the calculator, we get a density of 1.01